Geeked up at the airport, finna go to the east. First class, I can see the pilot right here from my seat. Brought a couple edibles with me, nigga, it's time to eat. Red leather, missing my jealous.
This is Cruz Sarich reporting for a Quagmire production. We're in fucking Costa Rica. I'm gonna get some clips for you guys. Look out here, it's like fucking rainforest already. Palm trees, mountains. You already know the vibes.
The hunger for Chris Wallace back in '94. I'd like to welcome y'all to rock with Peachy's youngest boy. From the bottom of the pot, young, the pits of the bird, with kids on the curb and small timers pitching them herb. I'm back, and for those who previously didn't know what I'm cracked, to the people I'm legalized and lethal. We all got problems involving the root of evil, but in common, all dodging the long arm of the people. Yup, and for the record, I ain't no half stepper. I rose from the city and still the streets gritty for real. Catch chasing the paper, that's basic mathematics. Hate to run the streets, but took a stab at it. As I look back at it, hard as it seems, I remember when this music thing was all but a dream. But I'm here for my city and can't name no
way. We out here in the streets of Costa Rica. We're in Taco Beach. Hang on, we just made a grand realization. What do we realize here?
There's like very few NPCs.
Zero NPCs here. Everyone you see has character. It's unreal. You don't see anyone and you're like, oh, that's an NPC. Like, nope. Character everywhere. Surfboards on the roof and shit. You already know the vibes. You already know the vibes.
It's just how it goes, really.
You already know the vibes?
Yeah.
Saw it. The Hilux Turbo Diesel. Saw. You get the good ones around here. This would be your truck if it was a Helix. Helix. Kachi's band. Surf, but first, Kachi's.
Brand new. Flat tire. Yeah, good.
That bike. Fuck you. I love Honda, but fuck that tire. Give us a little intel on where we're going today.
So, yeah, we're fucked.
After we get the new bike, where are we going?
We're going up there. Eat at a restaurant up there. And then we're gonna go find some new trails, maybe go to a waterfall.
Yeah.
Dirt bike.
Waiting for the new bike to be delivered.
Fucking don't rent A&R. Don't do it. Some shite service. When are you gonna see these cars back at home? Never. Goddamn.
Oh, gracias.
It's a rental. I don't got no clutch hand. This is all dry. We're on the hill climb mission. Up we go.
Hey, you're gonna end up friggin' having to walk back.
Honda, world's biggest seller.
We're out here. What are we doing? Monkey hunting.
Hunting. No. Stop feeding.
Stop feeding him. He's cute.
We just bing chilling. Oh shit, he's gonna take my. Oh, snatched. Damn.
Okay, bye.
Just like my bike, I got the Yoshimura.
Is that a Yoshimura?
Right now we're at some sort of dirt biking event. I don't really know where we're at. We just kind of showed up. And there's some dope shit. And some hot chicks too. We're out here doing it for Deacon. This guy's doing it for Deacon here. As much metal militia as possible.
When he should've paid a dime. That's some shit since I was young, like robbing niggas, not a crime. Geeked up at the airport, finna go to the east. First class, I can see the pilot right here from my seat. Brought a couple edibles with me, nigga, it's time to eat. Red leather, missing Magellan's on me.
We're at Playa Hermoso. Surf competition.
Metiendo presión y sacando sus maniobras. Ese lugar ya está haciendo su.
It's a good old surf competition.
Yeah.
Estoy emocionado.
Throw down right now, dude. Oh yeah. Said the way you move, gon' make you sweat, gon' make you groove. Oh, arse, eating the arse. Give me the general so I can